7 things your kidneys stop doing properly. After age 60, most people don't feel it happening. No pain, no warning, but quietly, right now. If you're over 60, your kidneys may already be losing abilities they once had without you even knowing it. And here's the thing doctors don't always say out loud. By the time most people notice something is wrong, significant damage has already been done. Today, we're counting down 7 things your kidneys stop doing properly after age 60. And I need you to stay all the way to number 1, because that one alone could change how you treat your body starting tomorrow. It's the most critical one on this list, and most people have absolutely no idea it's happening to them. Let's start the countdown. Number 7, filtering waste from the blood at full speed. We begin at number 7, and this one sets the foundation for everything else. Your kidneys filter about 200 liters of blood every single day. That's an extraordinary amount of work. But after age 60, the filtration rate, called the glomerular filtration rate, or GFR, begins to decline naturally. Studies show that after 40, most people lose about 1% of kidney filtering capacity every year. By age 60, that adds up. By 70, you may have lost 30% or more of the filtering power you had in your 30s. What this means in real life is that waste products, things like creatinine, urea, and other toxins, stay in your blood slightly longer than they should. The kidneys are still working, but they're working slower, like a water filter that hasn't been replaced in years. You won't feel this directly, but everything else on this countdown is made worse because of it. Number 6, regulating blood pressure efficiently. Number 6, and this one surprises a lot of people. Most people think high blood pressure damages the kidneys. That's true, but what they don't realize is that the kidneys themselves are supposed to help control blood pressure, and after 60, they lose that ability. Your kidneys manage blood pressure through a hormonal system called the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, or RAAS. This system tells your blood vessels when to tighten and when to relax, and it tells your body how much fluid to hold on to. As the kidneys age, this system becomes less precise. The kidneys may signal the body to retain too much sodium and fluid, pushing blood pressure higher. And higher blood pressure then damages the kidney's tiny filtering vessels, the glomeruli, creating a damaging cycle that feeds itself. This is one of the biggest reasons why high blood pressure becomes harder to control after 60. Your kidneys, the very organs that should be helping you manage it, are no longer as efficient at doing so. Number 5, balancing electrolytes, precisely number 5. And this one affects your heart, your muscles, and your brain. Electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, they all depend on your kidneys to stay in perfect balance. Your kidneys act like a highly precise chemical laboratory, deciding how much of each electrolyte to keep and how much to excrete in urine. After 60, this balancing act becomes less accurate. Potassium, for example, can build up in the blood, a condition called hyperkalemia, because aging kidneys excrete it less efficiently. High potassium sounds harmless until you realize it directly affects your heartbeat. An irregular heart rhythm, sudden muscle weakness, or extreme fatigue can all be signs of a potassium imbalance caused by declining kidney function. Sodium balance is also affected, which impacts blood pressure and brain function. Elderly people are significantly more prone to a condition called hyponatremia, low sodium in the blood, which can cause confusion, falls, and in severe cases, seizures. These imbalances rarely announce themselves loudly. They creep in quietly. Number 4, activating vitamin D, properly number 4, and this one directly affects your bones, your immune system, and your mood. Most people think vitamin D comes from sunlight and food. That's partially true. But here's what they miss. The vitamin D your skin absorbs is not actually active yet. Before your body can use it, the kidneys must convert it into its active form. Calcitriol. After age 60, the kidneys become less efficient at this conversion. The result, even if you're getting enough sun and taking vitamin D supplements, your body may not be activating enough of it. This leads to weakening bones, because vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption. It also suppresses immune defenses, because active vitamin D plays a direct role in regulating immune cells. Research has linked poor kidney activation of vitamin D to increased risk of osteoporosis, frequent infections, and even depression in older adults. This is why doctors sometimes test for active vitamin D, calcitriol, separately, because the standard vitamin D blood test doesn't tell the full story of how well your kidneys are doing their job. Number 3, producing the hormone that makes red blood cells. Number 3, and this one explains something millions of people over 60 are told but never fully understand. Your kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, or EPO. Its job is simple but vital. It signals your bone marrow to produce red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen to every organ in your body, your brain, your heart, your muscles, everything. As the kidneys age and their function declines, they produce less EPO. Less EPO means the bone marrow slows red blood cell production. The result is anemia, low red blood cells. And this is extremely common in people over 60 with even mild kidney decline. Kidney-related anemia feels like persistent tiredness that sleep doesn't fix, brain fog, shortness of breath during simple activities like walking upstairs, feeling cold all the time, and a general sense of weakness that people often chalk up to just getting old. It's not just aging. For many people, it's their kidneys no longer sending the right signal to make enough blood. Number 2, removing medications and toxins. Safely, number 2. And this one is genuinely dangerous if you don't know about it. By age 60, most people are taking at least one medication. Many are taking 5 or more. And here's what almost nobody talks about. The kidneys are responsible for clearing a large percentage of drugs from your body after they've done their job. When kidney function declines, medications don't clear out as fast. They linger in the bloodstream longer than intended. This means a standard dose, the dose that was safe at age 40, can become an overdose at age 70 in someone with reduced kidney function. Common medications affected include common pain relievers like ibuprofen and naproxen, certain blood pressure drugs, diabetes medications like metformin, and many antibiotics. Taking these at the same dose for years while your kidneys quietly decline can lead to drug toxicity, confusion, kidney damage acceleration, dangerous heart rhythm changes, or even organ failure. This is why kidney function testing before adjusting medications is so critical after 60. Many doctors do this, but many patients don't know to ask. Number 1, sensing their own damage. Early enough to warn you, and here we are. Number 1, the most important thing your kidneys stop doing properly after age 60. Your kidneys have no pain receptors inside them. None. They cannot feel damage. They cannot send you a pain signal when something is going wrong. The kidneys can lose 50%, 60%, even 70% of their function, and you may feel absolutely nothing. This is called the silent progression of chronic kidney disease, and it is the reason CKD is called a silent killer. By the time most people discover they have significant kidney damage, the window for easy intervention is already closed. After 60, this silent progression accelerates. The kidneys are less efficient, facing more pressure from age-related changes, yet still giving you no alarm signal. The only way to know, the only way, is through regular blood and urine testing. A simple eGFR blood test and a urine albumin test can detect kidney function loss years before you feel any symptoms. Caught early, the decline can be slowed dramatically through diet, hydration, blood pressure control, and medication review. Caught late, the options shrink fast. If you are over 60 and you have not had your kidney function checked in the last year, that is the single most important thing you can take from this video. Not a supplement, not a diet, a blood test. Outro, approximately 25 seconds. Your kidneys work every second of every day without asking for anything in return. After 60, they need you to pay attention for them, because they won't complain until it's too late. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone over 60 who needs to hear this. And if you want to know exactly what to eat to protect your aging kidneys, watch the next video. It might be the most important 7 minutes you spend this week.